Okay, so we're gonna learn about test number 5, and this is section 4, and we wanna finish section 4, test number 5. Okay, number 1 of section 4, Anita is moving back to Mexico and exchange $400 for 6,650 Mexican pesos. Based on this information, what is the following closest to number of pesos $1 worth? Okay, so you can see here for number 1, 400 US dollar USD is equal to 6,650 Mexican peso, called peso. So one, they ask for us 1 USD, right? So that's gonna be 66650 over 400. So peso, this is units on the peso. So that's approximately 15, right? That's 15, 15 or 16. So we have to calculate it to the exact number because they are given decimal here. So we just put in the calculator and calculate it out. So the answer is 6625. So the closest to it is 1663, right? So the answer is going to be D. So D here. Okay, number 2. A bottle contains X ounce of soda. If Harry drink from it, there are Y ounce left. In terms of X and Y, what is the percentage of bottle did Harry consume? So we know that Harry gonna consume X minus Y, right? So Harry consume X minus Y, 1 ounce of soda. So we're gonna divide for the total, which is X, and we're gonna have to convert this into percentage. So that's multiplied by 100%, right? So this is actually okay, X over X minus Y over X, okay, times 100%. So that's it. That is 1 minus Y over X times 100%. That is X over Y over X times 100%. So that is 100. So that is just 100 X minus Y over Y over X percent. 100 X minus Y over X percent. So the answer should be B, right? B. Yeah, right. Okay. Next. So number 3. So X minus A over 5 is 12 and A of 10. So we're gonna ask for the value of X. So let's calculate number 3. So we know that X minus A over 5 is equal to 12. Okay, so we know that A is 10. So we with A is equal to 10. So we have X minus 10. Okay, so it's equal to 12 times 5, that is 60. So X is 70, right? So the answer should be D, right? X is 70, answer should be D. Alright. So number 6 and number 4. So we have W equal to 20 plus 0.4s. Ah, fuck you. Okay, so let's keep going with question 4. So the equation above can be used to model the weight of a tire in power after a pump is used to inflate the tire for a second s. What is the increase in the weight of the tire in pound for every second the pump was used? So when S is increased by 1, so the weight of the tire gonna increase by 0.4, right? So that's gonna be answer because okay, number 4. So number 4, W is equal to 20 plus 4s, right? So if S is come to S plus 1, so it's transformed to S plus 1. So we have 20 plus 4s plus 1 gonna be equal to W prime, right? And that's just 20 plus, okay, that's 0.4, sorry. .4, so 20 plus 0.4s plus 0.4. So in other words, we have W prime is equal to W plus 0.4, right? Because W is 20 plus 0.4s, so plus 0.4 here. So we're gonna increase like 0.4, so it's 8. Okay, let's do 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 refer to the following information. So according to the graph, what is the greatest change in absolute value in the value of painting between 2 consecutive years? Okay, so this is like 100,000 increase. This is like around 100,000 as well. But they ask for the greatest change. The greatest change, so it should be around this one. This one is also 100,000 approximately. This one is also 100,000, but you see this part here is had an increase of about like 200,000, right? Okay, I'm gonna delete it so we can see more clear. So this part here. So all of the parts of the difference between 2 consecutive years around 100,000 or less, but this part is here is like 200,000. Yeah, this part here. Okay. No, I just draw it again. Sorry. So this year from 2011 to 2012, 2011 to 2012, this part here increased about 200,000. 200,000 because that's 0.2 of a million. So that's the greatest. So let's just see, right? So 5C. And number 6. Okay, so number 6, let's try. What's the average rate of change of value of painting from 2009 to 2014, average rate of change? Okay, so average rate of change, I think I'm gonna calculate by taking the number in 2014. They asked from 2009 to 2014. So 2014 we got 1.1. To 2009 we have 0.8. 0.8 here. Yeah, here, and 2014 1.1, and that's a gap of 5 years. So divided by 5, that's 0.3, divided by 5, that's 0.06. So that's around $60,000 per year, because this is multiplied by a million, right? So the answer is D. Okay, so let's check the answer if we are correct. Okay, so let's check the answer if we are correct. So we are saying that 1 is D, 2 is B. So 1 is D, 2 is B, so we are correct. So 1 is D, 2 is B, we are correct. 1 is D, 2 is B. 3 is D, and 4 is A. 3 is D, and 4 is A. So 3 is D, and 4 is A. Okay. 5 is C, 5 is C, and 6 is D. So 5 is C, and 6 is D. So it's correct. So I think that this video is done. So thank you very much for joining. Goodbye.